You gave up on me. I should do time lapses, but I'm recording in 4K so we get the best possible image. And I'm going to put music over it anyway, so it doesn't matter if we talk.
Yep.
It's the day runners. People are just probably going to the valley.
Start at 6 a.m.
Yeah.
Because they're like, it only takes us 2 minutes to get there. I need all the time I have.
Now look at the view.
Oh yeah.
You you can let the young lady pass us in a minute. She's coming down the trail right now.
I know, I'm just like, my camera.
Almost applauded too soon. Go! Yeah. You all right?
He had it all planned out.
Yeah, he just slipped. He's wearing water shoes though, and
What did you run?
he just, I think he's just, his foot missed. Yeah, we're getting into that visual, we're getting into that visible age range of, oh, good for them. Isn't that cute? They're trying it.
Look at all the bamboo.
I know.
Oh.
Step on the dry one. Low bridge. Loose rock right there. Here's that low tree.
Oh yeah. Tree.
This is where I'm glad I don't have a backpack.
Yeah, well.
I used to get
You're just gonna get wet is all.